Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku Basal on February 13, 2022. 2-star Sudoku. Column C and 10th row we have pair number 6 and 4. Six and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in any of the cells. We will confirm later. Column B and column D we have 5. 8th row also we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 9th row 5 numbers are remaining. 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. 8th grade we have 5 and 6. 5 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then only 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 4, 9. Column E and column G we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Eighth row on column E we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Third row and fourth row we have pair numbers 7 and 8. 7 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in any one of the cells. Column F we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column F and column G. Third row we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Second grade we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Column B we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. Then 2 is confirmed here. Sixth row and 7th row on column G we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 5th row and 6th row we have 5. Column E also we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column F 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 9, 1. 8th grade we have 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come in this cell. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining. 1. 1 is confirmed here. Eighth grade 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 7. Column G we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 8th row we have 3 and 7. So 3 and 7 can't come in this cell. It will come in one of the cells. Column D we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 7th grade only one number is remaining. 9. 9 is confirmed here. Eighth row only one number is remaining. 2. 2 is confirmed here. 10th row two numbers are remaining 1 and 9. Column I we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Column I, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 3, 4. 7th row we have 2 and 4, so 2 and 4 can't come in this cell, it will come in any one of the cells, then only one number is remaining 3, 3 is confirmed here. 2nd row we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, then 4 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Second grade, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 5. Column E we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Column H we have 1 and 3, so 1 and 3 can't come these cells, it will come any one of the cells, we will confirm later. In third grade, only 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 9. 2nd row we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Column H we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 8. 5th row we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. 6th row and 7th row we have 6, so 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining 7 and 9, it will come any one of the cells, we will confirm later. Fifth row and 6th row we have 8, so 8 can't come these cells. Column D also we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, then 8 is confirmed here. Column E, 5th row we have 1, so 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 9, we will confirm later. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 7. 2nd row we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, then 7 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Since 3 is here, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. 2nd row, only one number is remaining 6, 6 is confirmed here. Since 6 is here, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Fourth row we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. First grade, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 9. Third row we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 4. 5th row we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Since 3 is here, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. We can confirm 9 also here. Fifth row, only one number is remaining 7, 7 is confirmed here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 9. 6th row we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Since 9 is here, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 7. 7th row we have 3, So 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.